In this video, we'll reveal the 5 biggest ways construction companies lose money, and how to fix it. The first way is poor cost tracking. When hours, materials, or supplier costs aren't recorded in real time. To fix this, track costs in real time. 123 Works helps builders monitor budgets and materials. The second way builders lose money is through manual data entry. Spreadsheet or copy-paste can lead to mistakes. With automation, your data flows seamlessly from estimate to invoice. 123 Works automates these steps. The third way money is lost: lack of visibility. When project managers don't see real-time updates. With 123 Works, project dashboards update live, giving you total visibility into costs in one view. The fourth way builders lose money is poor communication. When teams, subs, and clients aren't aligned. 123 Works unites your team and clients, with messaging, document sharing, in one place. The fifth major profit drain is slow change order management. When changes aren't tracked or approved quickly. With 123 Works, every change order is documented, approved, and synced with your budget. These leaks may seem small, but over time they drain thousands in profit. Fixing them means trust and revenue. With 123 Works, you can manage costs, approvals, and communication seamlessly to work faster. Builders using 123 Works report faster approvals, fewer disputes, and a noticeable rise. If you're ready to take control of your profits and projects, reach out today to book your free demo. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped you spot where profits are slipping, and how to fix it.